cousin, if you're trying to be a little fast, baby, this is the video for you. Baby, I got a couple, 2, 3 styles, honey, that I want to show y'all. So you're going to be a little fast and a little classy and a little modest all at the same time. Hey, cousins. Welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? So if y'all are new here to the channel, honey, my name is Shauna T. And over here on this channel, baby, we talk all things plus size fashion, style. We talk about Jesus and everything in between, okay, y'all? So do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, to share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below. Okay, cousin? So, baby, let's jump right into this video. So, y'all, in today's video, I'm going to actually be sharing a couple of styles with y'all. One, we're going to feature this black turtleneck in a couple of them, okay? I got 2 ways that I actually went in and styled this turtleneck. And I want to let y'all know it is okay to be a repeat offender, honey. It is definitely okay to be a repeat offender. And what do I mean by that, child? Sometimes we need to pull them clothes out that we got in the back of our closet and remix them. Wear them again. It's absolutely okay, y'all. So I'm hoping that you all can definitely find some style inspiration from this video, all right? So look number 1 is I went in and paired this turtleneck with a moto jacket that I actually picked up from Stewart's like sometime back. And I also picked these jeans up from Stewart's as well sometime back. And when it comes to jeans, y'all, of course, some of you may or may not know, jeans are really, in my opinion, a basic, a staple that you definitely need to have in your closet. Now, you can have different washes of jeans, different types of jeans, of course, that matters as well. So, the shoes are the only thing that are actually new. For this outfit. Now, these shoes, guys, the silver loafers, I am wearing a size 13 for all of my Bigfoot baddies, just so that you guys know that I toggle between a 12 and 13 depending on the cut of the shoe. So the shoe I actually picked up from Amazon. I picked it up from Amazon. They actually have several colors available. There was like a cream, a burgundy, there was even like I want to say maybe a blue, if I can remember correctly. And then, of course, you know, they had black as well. Now, y'all, with this shoe, it is very comfortable. It does have cushion on the inside of it. And I can walk. You know how sometimes when you wear maybe a loafer, it can be tight on your feet or tight on your pinky toe. So that is definitely not the case with these shoes. So go Amazon, go Amazon, go with these shoes. And then, of course, I paired this with the famous bag that you all have seen, I'm sure, a number of times, especially, honey, if you're on my Instagram or either my TikTok. Now, y'all, this bag is also from Amazon. If you have never seen this bag, y'all, this bag is available in a ton of colors. I have several colors myself in this bag. And every single time that I wear this bag, y'all, I get tons of compliments. They're like, girl, is this a poodle? I remember this one man, he asked me, he was like, girl, I thought that was a poodle you was carrying. No, honey, that's this good bag, okay? But yes, array of colors that you can go in and pick from with this bag. So y'all, this particular look, I feel like it can take you a number of places. It's casual enough and also dressy enough, in my opinion. We can call it elevated casual, where you can go to work, you can go to lunch, run errands in this particular outfit, hang out with the girls, a number of different things, because I feel like this is one of those, this is a just right outfit, right? Because of the color combinations. One, you have black and denim. With black and denim, you can play black and denim on a lot of different ways, right? Even if you wanted to go in and elevate this look, you can go in and throw on a heel, and this would definitely dress this look all the way up if you go in and put a heel on with this look. If you want to get a little bit more casual, go in and throw on a cute sneaker, maybe a black and white dunk, or, you know, some type of little funky shoe sneaker that you can go in and put on with it. So that's why I call this one of those just right looks for the fall and winter, because you really can't miss with this particular look, y'all. Quick intermission, cousin. Are you a current or inspiring entrepreneur and you're like, child, I'm really trying to figure this social media thing out? Or you may even have a business and you're like, you know what? I want to increase my income too. Like you're just feeling stuck. Well, cousin, I got the perfect solution for you. I've created a new YouTube channel, and on that channel, we're going to be diving off into all things content creation and social media, and also increasing or either creating you an income online. So you can either scan the QR code right here on the screen if you're watching on your TV, or you can click the link down in the description box below. Okay, cousins? Now let's go ahead and get back to the good stuff, honey. And so let me just back up just a little bit for all of my new cousins. If you guys do not know, honey, my height is 5'5". I typically wear a size 22, 24 in all of the clothing that is displayed here on the channel, or it's either going to be in a 3X. If I have to get a single size, I always lean towards a 24 because, honey, listen, I got a lot of legs, hips, and surprise at the back, okay? And y'all, the second way that I went in and styled this black turtleneck was, baby, I put on my booty shorts. Ain't that what Glow said? No, I'm just I got my booty shorts. Like Glow said, because y'all know, honey, I am a little fast, a little risque, but yet still in a casual and modest way, honey, is what I like to call it. Because I ain't going to put everything out there, okay? I'm not going to put everything out there. But I wanted to put these shorts on because sometimes I feel like a lot of my cousins, you guys are not willing to take a risk in your fashion. You are very conservative and you want to stay, you know, a certain way, which I get. But every now and then, baby, you gotta step out. You gotta step out of your box in some form of way. So I decided to choose shorts that you can definitely rock shorts in the fall time. They're not just for the summertime, okay? Now, I definitely went in and paired this with my boots that I picked up from Torrid. If you guys saw the boot haul before that I did, then you guys have seen these boots before. Now, this is like a 3.5 inch heel with this particular boot. But this look right here is what I would definitely consider to be, baby, we going outside. Where the party at? Where the party at with this look. This is definitely giving date night vibes. Honey, take me outside. Where's somebody's son at? Where's somebody's son at? Come take me outside, okay? Definitely a date night look. You going out with the girls. If you are a clubber, I'm not a clubber, but if you are a clubber, I definitely think this is an outfit that you can go to the club in, or you can go and sit and listen to some live music in. You can be cute, you can be sexy, show the top part of your thigh, ain't nothing wrong with it. And rock it this way as well, y'all. So still, in these shorts, y'all, these shorts actually came from, where these shorts come from? Where these shorts come from? I want to say I got these shorts from Target. Got these shorts from Target and have been had them some time within my closet. Now, the shades or the sunglasses that I'm actually wearing with this look, these sunglasses actually came from Amazon. Just an oversized look that you can go in. Just helps to elevate the look, in my opinion. So, honey, y'all have to let me know down in the comments. Honey, you going with the jeans or you going with the shorts? You going with the jeans? You going with the shorts? Honey, if you want to be fast, you going to go with the shorts. Now, another way that I definitely want to let you guys know for all of my cousins. So, you know what? I do want to be a little risque. I want to go in and I want to put some shorts on. If you have a thigh-high boot and some tights, honey, because I know y'all still be trying to curl up a little bit. I already know. You can definitely go in and do a nice black thigh-high boot and some tights with this look as well, and definitely go in and rock this particular look. And this look right here, y'all, you may have seen this on my TikTok or either my Instagram. This is a set that I picked up from Target, okay, y'all? Now, with this particular set, because it is a gray color, I want to throw this little style tip off in here. Gray is one of those colors just like black. You can go in and mix and match gray with so many different colors. So just to give you a few color combinations, you have gray and red, gray and pink. You have gray in green. You have gray in white. You can do gray in blue. You can do gray in orange. You can do gray in yellow. Like, you can play this on so many different ways when it comes to accessorizing this particular set. And this is one of the reasons that I actually got this set from Target, because you can play with it so much. Now, this is a bubble skirt, honey. Now, you're going to be a little fast in this one too, baby. Put your thigh out. Put your thigh out. Now, you're definitely going to be a little fast in this set, okay? For all of my cousins, when I say it is a bubble skirt, it is actually a bubble skirt. Now, I did get this in a size 24 with this particular skirt. Bubble skirts was on trend, still on trend, because I still seen a lot of the girlies actually go in and wear the bubble skirts and just mix and match them in different ways for the fall. Now, the blazer, same size, a size 24 in the blazer as well. With this blazer, you can definitely pair this with jeans and different other items that you may have in your closet. But as you guys can see, I went in and simply did this with a red top. I forgot what they call the name of them hats. I forget the name of the hat that I got on my head. But the hat that I got on my head was called beret hat. A red beret hat that I picked up from Amazon. Now, my boots, I've been had in my closet some time. You guys may have saw these boots in the boot haul video that I did. These boots actually came from Stewart as well. And then, of course, I went in and paired this with my zebra black and white bag. Now, I got my zebra black and white bag from Amazon, but Shein actually has a duplicate of this exact same bag. And it may be even a little bit cheaper, okay? It may be even a little bit cheaper as well. So with this look, y'all, I think this look is so fun. It gives like schoolgirl vibes, but you know, also going out and just having fun. Like, this would be like a great photo outfit or photo shoot outfit because of the look and feel of this. I will say that this is actually great quality with the blazer and also the skirt, y'all. So I did want to go in and let you all know that, honey, okay? So, cousins, I want to just encourage you all, when it comes to your style, to step outside the box. It is okay to go in and repeat your outfits, right? Or mix and match, or let's just say go in and remix the outfits that you currently have without always buying something new. You can definitely go in and add on just accessories. Sometimes that's all that you need, is just to accessorize the look. If you accessorize the look, it will make it look completely new. Y'all have to let me know if y'all agree with that down in the comments, okay? Also, cousins, make sure that you have some basics in your closet. If you don't know what basics are, I want to give you this style tip too. Basic colors: black, tan, brown, gray, and also white, that you should have in your closet. And those basics can come in the form of shirts, bottoms, whether that's skirts, shorts, or even dresses, pants. Also in a blazer, a particular layering piece, blazers, cardigans, different types of jackets. When I say layering piece as well, those basics within your, you know what, I'm gonna have to do a whole video for y'all. I'm gonna have to do a whole video for y'all and break down how many ways you can actually go in and mix and match the basics and create different outfits. I think that would be really, really dope. I'm gonna have to do a video for y'all. Just to show you how you can take those basics and mix and match them with colors and also with other basics. That is actually something that I learned myself very early on when I was going in and actually redefining my style and kind of trying to figure out what I liked, what I didn't like when it came to actually dressing myself. So hopefully you guys can take that tip away from the video, and you may already have some basics in your closet and you can just actually add to those basics, y'all. But cousins, I definitely hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something from this video. And always, honey, you can either scan the QR code here on the screen if you are watching from your TV to shop the majority, not everything, but the majority of the looks that I actually went in and showed you today. If not, baby, you can click the link down in the description box below, honey, and shop the items that are available within this video, cousins. But cousins, make sure that you are following me on social media, Instagram and TikTok at Style with Shauna T, honey. And if you have made it this far in the video, baby, please go on and subscribe and join the cousin crew. Okay, what is the cousin crew? The cousin crew is our community. It's also our email and text list. So the email and text list is actually linked down in the description box as well. And honey, you can sign up, baby, so I can go over there and talk to y'all, okay? Just in case social media be doing what it do, cousins. But I truly hope that you have enjoyed this video. Cousins, if y'all have anything, suggestions or whatever, baby, let me know. Talk to me down in the comments. But as I tell you all the time, baby, make sure that you walk in every room, honey, boldly and confidently, and make sure that you do what, cousin? Baby, make sure that you own that room that you walking in, okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.